Hello friends, welcome to my channel Namane Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare mutton paya soup, which is our homemade recipe. So let's begin. We have taken around 6 goat leg pieces over here, so which has to be cleaned thoroughly and cut into medium size. Then you'll have to soak them overnight. So the next day you'll have to wash them again. So friends, here we have already pressure cooked this leg pieces by adding water, approximately 10 to 12 glasses of water. One glass measures around 300 ml glass. So don't add more than that quantity, whatever I suggested here. So you'll have to add water to the leg piece and then add quarter teaspoon of salt and then little bit of turmeric. So you'll have to pressure cook this for around 6 to 7 whistles till it is soft. Once the leg pieces are pressure cooked, you'll have to cool down the cooker and separate the broth from the cooked leg pieces. So you can drink it as it is because it contains salt. But if you want to make a soup, you'll have to follow this procedure. Add some pepper, so approximately quarter teaspoon of pepper we have added, salt as per taste, and quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half finely chopped onions. So you'll have to boil this for around 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see how it's boiling. So after 10 minutes, the soup is ready. Let's garnish this with finely chopped coriander. Stir it and serve the soup hot. The pleasure of having this soup is pouring this into a small teacup and then sipping just like the tea. So, friends, you can even add the cooked leg pieces also along with this, not a problem. We just wanted that leg piece for some curry, so we had to separate it out from the soup. So, you can add it, not a problem. So, let me tell you a few benefits of having this mutton paya soup. They say that if you have this during if your bone is not strong or if you're ill, so this soup really does miracles to your body. So please do try this recipe and let me know your comments, and do subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thank you. Bye bye.